Lovers, forget your love, and list to the love of these. She a window flower,
and he a winter breeze when frosty window veil was melted down at noon.
And the caged yellow bird hung over her in tune.
He marked her through the pane. He could not help but mark, and only passed her by to come again at dark.
He was a winter wind, concerned with ice and snow, dead weeds and unmated birds, and little of love could know.
But he sighed upon them so, he gave the sash a shake.
As witness all within, who lay that night awake.
Perchance he hath prevailed to win her for the flight.
From the firelit looking glass, in the warm stove candle light. But the flower leaned aside, and thought of naught to say.
And the morning found the breeze 100 miles away.